Hi, I'm Cedric Stewart from Keller Williams Capital Properties, and in this video I'm going to tell you how the Washington area market is being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so as of today, the 18th of March, there are a lot of things that are happening in the DC area. Now, first and foremost, I do want to say that health is paramount. No amount of money is more important than your health. And I'm specifically making this video because a lot of our good friends and clients that have turned into good friends are asking us, how their home values are affected. People are asking us if they should buy a home right now. People are asking us if they should sell right now. So I want to take a moment to address that and just let everybody know where we stand. But again, staying safe is most important. So please get everything that you need and stay in tune with what the government is telling us, specifically the CDC and the health officials, so that you can make sure you're abiding by those standards and keeping yourself and your family safe. Okay, so let's jump into it. As of yesterday, and this is fresh data, this video was going to come out on yesterday, but there was a lot of information that came out late yesterday. So I'm going to do my best to make this a quick video, but there's a lot of information to share. So when we talk about whether or not you should consider selling your home or buying a home, we can get an idea of what's happening and how that relates to what the decision will look like for you. So in DC yesterday, not for the week, yesterday, 53 listings hit the market. 53 new homes hit the market, okay? 23 went under contract and 22 closed. Let's continue. In Montgomery County, 78 new homes hit the market, 38 went under contract, and 52 homes closed. 52 people became homeowners yesterday. All right. Now, in Prince George's County, 64 homes hit the market yesterday. 64 new homes hit the market yesterday. 14 went under contract and 14 closed. And in Northern Virginia, 105 homes hit the market yesterday. 48 homes went under contract and 81 homes closed. 81 people became homeowners in Northern Virginia yesterday. So what does that mean? There are always going to be people that need to move in the Washington metropolitan area. The rates are near the lowest they have ever been in human history. So let's break that down a little bit further. People are asking me, Cedric, do you think we should sell? Should we hold off? Is the market going to plummet? Well, obviously, we don't know what the future holds. But right now, people are moving. And if you're considering moving, this is a good time to do so. If you are thinking about putting your home on the market, there are a lot of people that are also taking action. Now, this is something that we will continue to monitor as time goes on, but this seems to be a good time to sell your home. And it's probably better to not delay while we do have these low rates that will help buyers to want to take that next step. If you decide to wait a month, 6 months or something like that, if there's something that happens where, there's a bit of an increase in the rates, it's going to have an impact on buyers' purchasing power. So you could have gotten more buyers interested in your home than you would have if you had taken the action sooner. So time waits for no one. That's what I'll say about that. But again, we'll continue to monitor that. And the last thing about that, so if you decide to wait, well, if everyone waits until things level off, like, this too shall pass, won't be like this forever. If you decide to wait, well, what happens when you and everyone else that has decided to wait comes back to the market? There will be a flood of homes for sale. They are going to flood the market. Now, you can decide whether or not you want to be a part of that, but you need to understand, for those that decide to wait, as many of them as there are, people will flood the market. I don't know if that's the circumstances under which I would want to put my house for sale if I could have done so earlier. Okay, so now When we're talking about whether or not you should wait to buy a home, well, you got to think about the fact that what goes up must come down and vice versa. So right now the rates are down here. But when the market recovers, when things quote unquote level out, the market will recover. And in that recovery, rates will be examined. And upon examination, when they feel that things are safe, they're going to go in another direction. So you have to ask yourself whether or not you can afford to wait when those rates go up 0.5% or more, and what that impact could be over the course of 30 years. In some cases, a rate increase could cost you $500 or $600 per month. Now that's an incredible amount of money when you're talking about 30 years. So if rates go up 1%, it could really cost you. Mind you, it's still a low rate, but it could be a lot more, and your affordability could shrink substantially. So based on these numbers, the market is moving. People will continue to purchase real estate, and we will keep you, up to date on this, and continue to watch the market and let you know how things are going. But we do recommend that you utilize ways that you can safely carry out your goals. Now, for sellers, we have a lot of different avenues that we can use to digitally market homes, which we've already been doing and been very successful at. And now those are more front facing. And we have some new techniques that we're implementing to help buyers remain safe and not go into areas where they may risk contamination, but still be in the market and move forward with the goal of purchasing a home. So we're here to help. I hope that that information was insightful. The market is currently healthy, but we don't know what the future holds. We will continue to watch the market and keep you updated. For right now, things look good. If you're thinking about buying, you should do so. If you're thinking about selling, you should do so, but don't wait forever. If you have questions and concerns, we're always here for you. Call, text, or email us, and we're happy to help. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay considerate. Take care.